Is your job safe? The 2026 Agentic AI shift. If you think AI is just for writing emails and making funny pictures, you're about to be left behind. In 2026, we've officially entered the era of Agentic AI. We're moving from chatbots that talk to agents that work. By the end of this year, 40% of the Global 2000 will have integrated AI agents into their core workforce. Today, we're breaking down what's coming, the new models from Meta, and exactly how to survive the 2026 shift. The reality, Agentic AI, and the digital assembly line. The buzzword of 2026 is agency. Unlike the LLMs of 2024, Agentic AI doesn't wait for your prompt every 5 seconds. These are autonomous systems that can execute a 10-step project, like managing a supply chain or closing a sales lead while you sleep. Think of it as a digital assembly line. Companies are no longer hiring for entry-level data tasks. They are deploying multi-agent systems that collaborate with each other. For the U.S. workforce, this means a massive shift. We are moving from being the doers to the supervisors. If your job is repetitive, 2026 is the year an agent takes over. The tools: Meta's Mango and Avocado. But what's powering this? While OpenAI and Google have been the names to watch, Meta just dropped a bomb on the industry. Their Superintelligence Lab, led by Alexandr Wang, is launching 2 models in H1 2026, Mango and Avocado. Avocado is the one you need to watch for your career. It's a text-based model specifically tuned for logic, reasoning, and coding. It's designed to run these autonomous agents. Mango is the creative powerhouse, handling high-end video and image generation that's set to disrupt the $200 billion U.S. advertising industry. Whether you're a dev or a designer, Meta's new ecosystem is designed to make these agents cheaper and faster than ever. The AGI debate. Reality check. So, is this AGI? Elon Musk and xAI are betting yes, claiming we'll see human-level reasoning across the board by the end of the year. But for the average American professional, the label doesn't matter as much as the impact. Even if we don't hit true AGI, we are seeing domain-specific AGI. In healthcare, AI is already outperforming doctors in early cancer detection by 17%. In law and finance, the junior associate role is almost entirely automated. 2026 isn't about the birth of a robot god. It's about the death of the busywork job. Let's talk about how to win against AI. Earlier, I asked a simple question. Is your job safe? Here's the short answer. The old version of your job isn't. But the human plus AI agent version of your career? That's where the money is. 2026 will be the year of the AI supervisor. The winners won't be the people fighting AI agents. They'll be the ones who know how to manage them. If you want to stay ahead of the Meta Mango launch and the agentic shift, drop a comment below. What's one part of your job you want an AI agent to take over? I'm reading every response. If you like this content and want to keep up with future updates, make sure to hit